Umphakathi wakwa-24 unobangathi ke uhole umkhankaso wokulethwa kweyidingo nqangi eFreedom Park namuhla ekseni ubambisene ke nezinhlaka ezihlukene zikahulumeni lapho ke kuhlolwe khona indawo ngenhloso ke yokwenza ngcono isimo senhlalo. Ikhansela ke ward usiyakudumisa Budget Makhawula uthi ke izakhamuzi eziningi isahlala emkhukhwini ngaphandle kwezindle ezisesimeni esifanele. Wabe ke sebeka nombono ukuthi kufanele kungenelele uhulumeni masinyane kulolu daba. Ikhansela ke namalungu omphakathi bathi ke banethemba lokuthi lokho kuyisiqalo sokulethwa koshintsho kulomphakathi.
Kuqhutywe iphulo logqithiso lwenkonzo kuWard 24 apho bekukho namagosa asuka kumasebe ohlukeneyo ukuhlola imo ingakumbi kwesinye sezitalato ezikwimo engaginyisi mathe.
Sihlanganela somphakathi because of got a call from urban inspector from 2 months ago ukuthi bazoletha wonke ama-government entities khona la because of life Freedom Park, especially like Ward 24 sine challenge ye-service delivery, so bazosixazululela zonke. We know ukuthi ezinye izinto ngeke bazenze nge-same day but bazobona, especially la sikhona we chose le venue la sikhona manje ukuthi at least babone ukuthi sine problem ye-Foundry Road Strat. It's been 3 years manje since sahamba namanzi, so I wanted ukuthi babone namanye ama-challenges and njengoba besikhuluma earlier on, as you can see emuva kwami ukuthi sine sewer eranayo, which means sinawo lo ma-challenges nala ewodini. So wonke amalento ama-entities akhona, i-City Parks ikhona, i-City Power ikhona, i-GRA ikhona, nawo wonke amanye.
Omnye umcelimngeni abajamelene nawo kulandawo ngulowo ochaphazela abaninzi ukudinga izindlu zokuhlala.
If i-government yethu ingafocusa kakhulu la, especially kwindaba zama-service deliveries nangale eMtswaleti, iward yami is from this side to eMtswaleti, sinama-issues we-housing. eMtswaleti has been long from ilento i-Freedom Park ibe khona since ikhona, so uma benga-assista ba-speed up i-process ye-housing that side because of sinabantu abahlala emikhukhwini namanje abanethwa zimvula each and every single day makunetha. So every time makunetha as a ward councillor I must go and check ukuthi abantu bethu baphila kanjani, and leyo nto it pains me because of ama-processes we-housing they promised years back ukuthi by manje bazobe sebewaconcludile but even nano ayikakenzeki leyo nto leyo, and sinama-challenges futhi that side of Mtswaleti, ama-inner streets makunethile imoto azikwazi ukuhamba and kuba i-chaos, udaka lodwa.
Kutyelelo lwamagosa kulangingqi abahlali banethemba lokuba kubekho ungenelelo olukhoyo oluza kuzisa utshintsho ukuya phambili. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eFreedom Park.